So for this build, we're going to be using some wax canvas that I got from Big Duck Canvas out of Georgia. This is 10 ounce. For the base, we're going to be using this waxy pull-up leather I got off Weaver. I really like this stuff. It's beautiful. It's about 3 or 4 ounces. Oh man, I scratched with the needle right there. Pretty bummed about that. But, oh well, I think other than that, it turned out pretty good. I've also got these little badges, what you call that thing, that I cut out on my laser, and I'm gonna sew that on the bag as well. So for the handle, I'm going to use a piece of this nylon webbing, and I'll roll a piece of paracord in here to give it a little extra body. I did end up putting a couple of stitches across the center there on the bottom, so hopefully I don't regret that. But I think it will keep anything that goes in this pocket from sliding down underneath. So our next step here is to pull these gussets out here and get as flat as we can, and we'll sew across that gusset. Okay, I got the liner sewn together. I did end up using the Cobra Class 26 for this. It was a little bit of overkill, but it worked all right. So we've got some nice heavy thread holding our liner together at least, so that's good. What I'll do is I'll use the cylinder arm to go ahead and sew around the seam all the way around the top, and then I'll come back with a piece of leather and fold it around and just do a nice finish on the top here. And that's it. Beautiful. Very cool lining. I think it turned out looking really nice with the blue on the front. So that'll just roll up. Can roll that down. Clip our closure in the front. So I actually ordered some clips for this and they haven't gotten here yet. And so I have to wait for those, which will take me several days, but for you, I'll have them on in the snap of a finger. Come on, goats. One more thing I'll say, if you want to make a pattern for a bag like this of your own, I will link a video to Claridge Leather. He has a really good instructional video on how to make a simple tote pattern like this, and it's really easy to do. Any of you guys could do it, so link in the description for that. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun building this bag. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, please subscribe to my channel. Got a lot more fun videos coming. Maybe some more outdoor adventures. Maybe I'll even bring the goats. Either way, I'll see you on the next one.